This boat is nice. Hey guys, today we're at St. Petersburg and we're at the boat show, and let's go check out the whole thing. Let's go. Hey guys, today we are at St. Petersburg and we are going to a boat show. Boats. Clean out the
A sailboat.
yeah.
I'm gonna get a pontoon boat and put the Hobie Cat mast on it. Yep. You gotta have at least that.
Check out this boat. It's red and it's small. And it'll be good for the lake.
$40 a month for the next 20 years.
There's lots of boats here, and there's some big, small, and there's one small one over there. We're going to sailboats now.
Not ordinary plastic. Polyethylene.
Polyethylene.
Yep.
Did you get that?
Yeah.
Unsinkable, indestructible.
What happened here?
This is with a heat gun, and it disappears. It'll be just like this when you're done.
No. Where's the heat gun?
It's kind of cold.
Water in the house, hot wild fishes, and put it in there. It's a really huge boat.
Here?
There's a table over there. I've never seen a table on a boat before. Take your shoes off on all of them.
You want to wait there?
Alright. Take them off on the other boat. We're walking down the street.
So we're at this boat and it's nice. I like this idea for the boat, and I'm going to go check it out.
So frustrated. Imagine yourself jumping off of this into the Bahamas, right?
I've heard that.
Oh my god, there's another bedroom. Whoa, it's so cool.
There's the shower.
Nice. This is,
Very nice.
yeah. It even has sunroof.
Oh, it's got 2 more beds. You can fish off anything you want. You don't need a boat. You can fish at the beach.
There's a bathroom. Looks pretty nice, and guest bedroom.
I like it.
Daddy, there's 3 bedrooms.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah. Nice. EJ's boat. Let's go check it out. Come on.
Go ahead.
They have that space there for have that short mast.
Okay, EJ. Now we are at the sailboat.
You don't mind just waiting for one person to come off. I got to see
the real estate market is good.
Bathroom is nice. So this is an island packet, and they're selling some stuff. We just saw the sailboat that was pretty cool. It had 2 bedrooms with 1 bathroom, and it was pretty cool. Awesome. And let's check out some more sailboats after this.
All you're doing is pushing a button, and right where this hinge is, that back gate drops down, lets water in, come back in from your day of boat.
Look at this. Look at this. It's a tiki version of a pontoon boat. What? What is see a bathroom?
You can put your drinks in there, or you can put your drinks in there.
Yeah. Yep. Do you like this boat, Banjoe? Yeah.
What's the rating on this one?
What's the rate? What do you mean?
This one. This will carry the whole my dinghy.
Here, this is heavy.
Does it work in rocks?
Yeah, it holds in rock.
Oh. It goes really small and goes really
So that was it. There was only 3 sailboats. I liked one. It was the first one, the one that we got to go in. And the others were nice. And all the rest were motorboats. And only 3 sailboats. Hey guys, that was the boat show, and now we're gonna go get something to eat. Eat. Nom 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 nom. We're at the Ranger Restaurant Flight Lounge.
How you doing?
And we are going to eat, and we got our own airplane set so we could make one.
Oh, you're silly.
Bird whistle, she could talk to the
Look at that sailboat.
Look, this is the menu. It's on the airplane toy, and it says here, mini cheeseburgers, noodles.
You like that?
That's actually pretty cool. To the other side. It's going to the other side, not this side.
It lands like a Oh, it's going up and down. Did you get it? It's going up and down. You missed it. You got it.
Oh, you got it?
Yep.
Oh, those are the ones you have to carry that. They have car insurance on it too.
Cowboy. One was just like a cowboy.
The plane is taking off.
What's stuck going down? I almost fell. I had a dream it was falling.
It looks good. Oh, it's going down. I thought it was going up.
Me too. It's going by, babe. It's like it's car airplane. Sailboats, the rest were motorboats, and I liked the sailboat that was 7,000, no. Well, it was super tall and it was pretty cool inside it. I liked that sailboat, and it was great boat show, and the food was yummy, and we got to see the airplanes fly and go in. And we saw some birdies. Bird number 2 and bird number 1.